Okay, so we have our first web form done now for our new mailing list. We've taken care of that. Now let's take care of this pesky message here that Aweber is telling us about the no customized verification message. And what that means is the opt-in. So we are going to go up here to our check to make sure, first of all, that we're working in the correct list, and we are. And we're going to go up to List Settings and over to Verified Opt-in. Okay, now once we've done that, first of all, it gives us an option here of whether we want to have double opt-in or single opt-in. And in this case, double opt-in is always the default. It is automatically on. We can turn this off. I would strongly suggest that you don't do that, and Aweber also strongly suggests that you keep this on as well in order to prevent what they say is malicious subscriptions and false spam allegations. So that is something very important. I can think of only maybe a couple of situations where you would perhaps have this off. So the best bet is just to leave it the way it is, just to leave it on. Okay, now what we have down here is the verification message. So a person has opted into our mailing list, and they receive this email in their box. And you have probably received hundreds of these yourself, which is just basically asking you to confirm your subscription. First of all, in the subject area, it says click to edit. We can click on this form here, and we can get all kinds of different subjects. So there's lots of different subjects that you can choose from here. These are all the ones that are pre-approved, and that's important. You can choose other ones or create other ones, but you have to get approval from Aweber before you can start using those. So in this particular case, I'm just going to choose the one that says confirm your subscription, and of course you can even start using personalization here if you want to. You can tell it, hey, you know, first name, confirm your subscription, or whatever that you'd like to there. I'm just going to leave it with the confirm your subscription. I'm going to close that up there. Now intro, you can click into this and you can edit this also. So you can make this, it's a certain length. I don't remember exactly how long it is. Oh, here it is, 500 characters that you can make this. So you can personalize this information here a little bit if you want to as well. The body of the text here, this cannot be edited. You cannot mess with that. And then last of all, the closing. You can click here and you can add your own closing, and it can have up to 100 characters. So there's lots of different things that you can do with this by personalizing this message here, this confirmation message, to make it you know, a little bit more yours and not look like so much like it's a machine sending it out, even though it is a machine. Now something that's very important here, that I think is very important here, is your confirmation success page. So earlier, remember when we created the web form, we had to select a thank you page. So now we thank them for subscribing, and we've told them please go to your email account, check your email, look for this email, click on the subscribe link or the verify or the confirm link, whichever you want to call it there. And now it takes them to another page. Now if you leave it blank, it will show just a default one from Aweber. That is a waste of virtual real estate, in my opinion. Set this up, make this a confirmation page on your server, on your website. It's on this page that you're going to want to put the bonuses, the thank you gift for subscribing, whatever it is that you were teasing the web visitor with in order to get them to opt into your list. You want to put them on this page. Also use it as an opportunity to sell. Go ahead and put a couple of products on there. You can do that as well. I have often put, and I've been doing this a lot recently, I've been putting links to other opt-in lists. So that's a possibility that you can do there also. So lots of different things that you can do with this. Even though it says optional, honestly that needs to be required. You definitely want to type in the full URL here of that address of where they will go once they have confirmed their message, and then you will click on save, And you are all done. You are ready now to start sending out messages.